I gave my cat a choice, coffee or money, and her decision was smarter than most humans. No training, no tricks, just instinct.
Okay, what is this? If this is not food, I am already disappointed.
Watch this carefully because it gets interesting.
Why are you filming me?
First, the coffee.
Suspicious liquid.
She approached slowly and sniffed it.
Why does this smell like stress and bad decisions?
Then she pushed it away immediately.
Humans drink this?
No hesitation.
No, absolutely not.
And she was right. Coffee is actually toxic to cats. Even a small amount can be dangerous.
I choose survival. I am not going to the vet today.
But what happened next surprised me. The money.
Wait,
She focused instantly and ran toward it.
I know this smell. This is important human paper.
Now this is where it gets interesting.
Okay, let me think.
She did not just look at it.
So many smells. This one smells like food. This one smells like bad decisions. Oh, this one definitely bought snacks. Why do you not have more of this?
It looked like she was making a real decision, because even if cats do not understand money, they understand what it leads to: food, comfort, safety.
So this paper turns into food. That is interesting. More paper means more food. This is simple. Also, this probably pays rent. So technically, this is mine. If I sit on it, it becomes mine. Yes, that is how this works.
At this point, she was not playing anymore. She was choosing. And then she made it official. Final test. Coffee or money. No hesitation, no confusion. Just a clear decision.
This is a serious decision. Coffee equals danger. Money equals chicken. I choose chicken. Yes, this is mine now. I am staying here. Do not rush me. I choose power. With my money.